Mahé, the largest of the Seychelles Islands, is where Victoria, the nation's capital, is located and serves as the archipelago's international entry point. Around 90% of the people in the Seychelles reside on the accessible island of Mahé, which provides tourists with both a classical tropical beach vacation and a glimpse into the Creole culture of the area. With its idyllic tropical island fantasies, this unspoiled nation welcomes visitors almost all year long. However, travelers favor going to these incredible islands in the off-season months of April, May, October and November. Anse Intendance, the Morne Seychellois National Park, Victoria, Cousin Island, Digue Island and Silhouette Island are just a few of the Seychelles' many tourist attractions. And if you're traveling with children, you can take them to Bird Island, which is home to numerous bird species. Seychelles is one of the most incredible places to explore with your loved ones because of its countless tropical islands, turquoise waterways, thriving forests and marine sanctuaries. Northeast of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean lies the archipelago nation of Seychelles. Off the coast of East Africa is this nation of 115 islands. The nation is not only a water playground, but also a lovely harbor for honeymooners. Seychelles has the world's most exquisite beaches and vibrant coral reefs, making it the richest fishing ground on Earth. The island's beaches, which are its most well-known features, are set against a stunning mountainous interior and slopes that are heavily forested. The longest and busiest beach on the island is Buvallon, which is located on the west coast directly across from Victoria. For swimming, water skiing, windsurfing and parasailing, its clear, current-free water is ideal. Famous Anse Intendance, with its crashing waves and palm-lined shore, is another beach worth visiting, but with so many beautiful coves to discover, you'll soon find your favorite one. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. For at least part of your Mahé Island vacation, we recommend renting a car. If you get anxious driving through narrow streets and hairpin bends, think about hiring a driver as well. The majority of the island's well-known attractions are simple to reach and the roads are well signposted. Allocate some time to explore the sights inland as well. While the tiny, attractively laid out city of Victoria is a fun place to shop, eat and explore, the impressive 20% of the island that is covered by Morne Seychellois National Park has wonderful hiking trails. There are many options for vacation lodging on Mahé Island. Families will enjoy a Felia Resort's variety of beaches, array of water sports and world-class spa. For romantics, we suggest Banyan Tree Seychelles, Hilton Seychelles Northolm Resort and Spa, or the opulent Four Seasons Villas, each with an infinity edge plunge pool overlooking a lovely bay. The Kempinski Seychelles resort is an option for those with a tighter budget. For visitors with longer stays, we strongly advise doing some island hopping. Visitors with limited time could happily spend their entire Seychelles vacation exploring the island of Mahé. Consider spending a few days on the Seychelles private islands for true seclusion and deserted beaches, or include a few days on the smaller public islands of Praslin and La Digue.